Hi. Sorting is arranging the items in an orderly manner. It is done either arranging items in ascending order or descending order. Ascending for text is A to Z and numbers is 1 to the highest number. Descending is exactly opposite. For text it is Z to A and the numbers it is largest to smallest. The sorting is quite easier in Excel. On a quicker note, please check your data before applying sort or filter. Select one cell in the entire data, use Control A and check whether all the cells of the data is getting selected. If it is, no problem, we can use normally. Else, we need to select the entire data or entire column of data before applying the sort or filter to get the correct results. A blank row or a blank column in between the data set will break the continuation and the range will not be selected properly. This is the difficulty you will face if it is not proper, right? So, but here our data seems to be pakka, right? So now just select a cell in a column where we need to apply sorting. Say I'm selecting a cell in the city column. Go to data tab. Under the sort and filter group, you see the sort options ascending and descending. Click the one you want. So let's go with ascending here. Simple, right? Ah, then another method is to apply filter. No, there is no condition. Applying filter will just add drop down menus to your column headers like this. In the drop down, we will be able to see the sorting options. So, right, what if I want to sort first based on their date of joining DOJ column and then by their salary? Like, see, if I apply the sort in the date column, yes, it is sorted. And now we see two persons joined on 18th February having two different salary amounts. Now I want the highest paid person to come first. If I apply sort in the salary column, it will remove the sort in the DOJ column. What to do now? It is pretty easy, right? Go to data tab again. Under the sort and filter option, the big sort button you see here, yeah, it is used to sort one or more levels. Click on the sort button, select the first level sorting column DOJ to be sorted in ascending order. As the column consists of dates, it is oldest to newest. That is the ascending order. Then click on the add level button here. Yeah. So you see the first sort by DOJ and then by here you need to select the salary column and to be sorted in the descending order. So here Excel identified the column is full of numbers and accordingly it shows the option to sort smallest to largest and largest to smallest. So select the largest to smallest and click OK. That's it. Simple. Now we will see about the filtering the data. Select the entire data. Use Ctrl A to quickly select the entire data and check whether the entire data is covered once again. Then use the shortcut Ctrl Shift L, L, right? L for lake. Or go to the data tab under the sort and filter group. Select the large filter button near to the sort button. Yeah. So as we saw earlier, drop downs will be added to the column headers. The drop downs general options will contain the sorting options, sorting by color, filtering by color options, and a search box beneath which there will be the list of unique items in the column. And additionally, the Excel analyzes the data in the column and provides us with three different filtering techniques: text based filtering, number based filtering, and date based filtering. If we go to the filter options in a text based column, we will see text filters options. We can filter text based on various conditions, like filter if the text contains this word, or begins with this word, or ends with this word, so on and so forth. We can give two of such conditions in a single filter, using and or combination. So based on the requirement, we need to use the filtering option. If we navigate to the filter options in the number based column, we will see the number filter options. So here we see number based conditions like greater than, less than, equals, not equals, top n numbers, and above or below average, value filtering, etc. Similarly, for dates, we have options to use filtering for this month, this year, this quarter, today, tomorrow, yesterday, next week, next month, etc., etc., and etc. So let us just have a quick look at the examples. Under salary, we will filter salary between 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs. So go to the filter, number filter, use the between option as you see here. So between 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs means the value should be more than 5 lakhs but less than 10 lakhs. So both the conditions are required to be satisfied and hence the and is selected by default here. Enter 5 lakhs and 10 lakhs in the respective spaces and done. Easy, right? For date, similarly, let us filter those who joined after 2016. Go to the date column filter, go to the after option. You you have the option to either enter the date manually in the field, but this may not be always helpful because the systems might not properly get what date we are referring to. So use the option to select the date from the calendar button if you are more comfortable with that. My preference is typing, right? My system settings is entering the date in DDMMMYY format. So entering in that format 01 hyphen JAN hyphen 16 and enter. Done. So to clear the filter from all the columns, most of the people like those who use Excel more will do remove the entire filter and apply the entire filter again using the shortcut keys like Ctrl Shift L and Ctrl Shift L twice, right, to remove and apply, or Alt D F F and Alt D F F again to remove and apply the filter. But it is not necessary. Yes, it does the job, but it takes at least 30 extra seconds. 30 extra seconds. Simply go to Data tab and select the clear button you see near the filter button. This will clear all the filters in the range. But yes, Excel users or mouse haters, right? So use simple navigational shortcut. Press Alt once. You will see the options or shortcut to navigate to different tabs. So A is the navigation key for going to Data tab. Press A. Do not hold the Alt and A keys. Just press and leave. Like as if you type, then you see the key to navigate like that. And to navigate to the clear option, it is C. So therefore, Alt A C is the simplest way to clear all the filters in one go. So let me Control Z this. That is undo this. Now in this filter, I know that actually the first value I see is wrong. It should be 3 lakhs and odd. So now I am changing the first digit to 3 so that the number will be 3 lakhs and so. Now this one should not be part of the filter, right? So we need to just refresh. There is no refresh option available for filter. Right click and see. No, not there. Using refresh all button in the data tab. Hard luck. Not working, right? So it is not actually refresh for filters. We applied the filter conditions on the data range and hence now we need to reapply those filters. Near that filter button, the option for reapply is available. Click that to reapply and now the first row is hidden. Cool. So let us clear the filters now. Alt A C. One small thing we notice is that the date format is different in the first row and all the other rows have same format. So to copy and paste the format from one cell to another, select the cell from where you need to copy the format. Select the cell. Go to the Home tab. Select the Format Painter option. The cell looks like it is copied, but only the format is being copied here. Select the destination cell or the range where you need to paste the formatting. So in our case, this cell, just select that cell, nothing else to do, and the format will get pasted here. So in the next video, we will be understanding few of the finest and essential analytical functions like if, VLOOKUP, and other logical functions. See you there.